In this second video, we will adapt our conversational survey chatbot to collect quantitative data using single answer multiple choice questions and a multiple answer multiple choice question. They both provide different data and a different user experience. We will also create a custom response when a particular option is chosen. Start by accessing your chatbot from the dashboard and click Manage. From the design screen, click on the green plus sign and add a chatbot question or message. Drag this new topic card up to the position directly after the topic card that says, "What do you enjoy doing in your spare time?" The topic card will say new topic to be defined as you have not yet edited it. With the card selected, click Request User Input. You'll now want to choose Single Answer Multiple Choice Question. In the Customize Chatbot message section, type "How often do you play games?" Below that, you're going to click into the options and type daily, weekly, monthly, a few times a year. You can add additional options by either clicking the green option button or just hitting return on your keyboard. You'll also notice there's 3 options in the bottom right hand corner: random choice order, treat options as numbers, or display options horizontally. We will create another question by clicking the green plus sign again to add a chatbot question or message. Drag this into position after the last question you created. With a new topic card selected, click Request User Input. This time you're going to select the option for multi-answer, multi-choice question. Edit the question to be, "What type of games do you like to play?" Choose all that apply. Now add in the several options. Now click Preview to see your conversational survey in action. You'll notice now that you see your single answer multiple choice question. When clicked, the conversation automatically moves to the next topic card. Next is multiple choice multiple answer. You'll see that you can select multiple options but then have to click Submit to move the conversation forward. Now go back to the design menu. Find the topic card, "How often do you play games?" Select it. Now browse down to the Reuse Pre-built Chatbot Responses section. Now browse down to the Customize Chatbot Response section. Click the plus Custom Response button. You'll notice in this section it's made up of a trigger and an action. Under Trigger 1, select the option Daily. Now click Actions and select Extended Reply, Create a New Remark. You'll notice that this now creates a new topic card that you will edit. Click the topic card. Then choose Plain Text. Type in the response, "You must love playing games and be very good at them." Let's preview this. Now when Ava asks, "How often do you play games?" and I select daily, Ava will reply with a custom message specifically for that choice. Head back into design mode. Now add a new topic card and place this before the question, "How often do you play games?" Select this topic card and select Request User Input. Choose Single Answer Multi-Choice Question. Now add the message, "How's your experience with our new game? Please rate it on a scale of 1 to 5, where 1 is terrible and 5 is excellent." Now add the 1 to 5 options. Below this section, you'll see an option for treat options as numbers. Turn this on. Now preview your chatbot and experience this in action. You'll notice now we have a new question. How's your experience with our new game? Please rate it on a scale of 1 to 5, where 1 is terrible and 5 is excellent.